Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to log into JetBlue credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you as soon as they update a new episode. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the search box, type in JetBlue credit card login and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see several search results. Click on this first Welcome to Barclays Us link right here. And you'll also be able to log into your JetBlue credit card using this website. Since the JetBlue World MasterCard is issued by Barclays Bank Delaware, so Sunday, go ahead and enter your credit card information in the right-hand side and your username in the first text field that you can see. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your password. Double-check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right side of the password box. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can check this box over here before logging in. But if you're using a public computer or shared mobile device, make sure you leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on this Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password. Finally, after typing in all of your information is correct, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your JetBlue credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.